Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more informational videos with content generated by the IRS subreddit community and anyone looking for clear information on Internal Revenue Service tax compliance issues. Today we are going to explain codes on WMR IRS-2 Go or IRS transcripts for tax return and refund statuses, focusing on 150, 151, 152, 203, 420, 421, 570, 806, 810, 846, 898, 971, 1121, 1161, and 9021. Yikes! That's a lot. Let's get into it. What are these IRS transcript codes and tax topics? These codes can search the IRS website for each tax topic or transaction code, but it needs to be clarified what they mean and are often generic to most. Many of these tax topics and transaction codes are based on the IRS tax system processing and reporting of individual and business tax returns. Transaction Code 150, Return Filed and Tax Liability Assessed, will often be seen on the transcript after the return is accepted by the IRS and added to their master file cycle for processing. Code 806 confirms the withheld amount and will appear on the tax transcript to show what the IRS uses for refund or tax liability calculation purposes. While TC 150 is on the transcript after filing the return, in the IRS master file for processing, they will often see corresponding tax. Topic 151 or 152 on the WMR website or IRS-2 Go mobile app. Tax Code 151 means that they're getting a tax adjustment or offset, example, due to a stimulus payment adjustment, which may result in their refund being less than expected. An official IRS letter/report explaining the actual offset and adjustments to the tax return details how to appeal this action. An appeal will delay the refund. Tax Topic 152, on the other hand, means the return is under processing in line with IRS guidelines, generally within 21 days, and this notice confirms the methods for payment, direct deposit, check, and other items that could delay refund processing. Generally, Tax Topic 203 reflects as this tax code 826, IRS debt, or 898, other offsets, on the transcript and other non-IRS obligations. The IRS cannot help with this claim and will only process it as directed, moving to Code 151 above when done. Follow the BFS appeals process and only contact the IRS if the original refund amount on the BFS offset notice differs from the amount on the tax return. Reference number 9021 on the status page, which designates the IRS has found math errors and will auto-adjust the return and refund, or taxes due. Transcript codes 420, 421 and 424, IRS further examination/audit. A transaction/tax code 420 on a transcript means the IRS pulled the tax return for a potential audit or further examination. This code means the IRS is sending the overpayment of taxes. Reference code number 1121 and 1242, return under review. Reference number 1121, referenced in an account transcript or WMR/IRS-2 Go app, generally means that the tax return is under further review by the IRS. Generally, this happens after initial system processing, and an element gets flagged by an IRS agent designated by reference number 1242. When this code shows on a transcript, the return processing has been delayed beyond the normal timeframe message on WMR or IRS-2 Go. Filers who received the 1121 reference number should continue checking WMR or IRS-2 Go for a refund date. Also, note that the 971 code on the tax transcript differs from the 971 publication and is related to issuing a tax notice or letter by the IRS after an adjustment or review has been completed. While the above IRS codes can explain why a return is still being processed or is lower than expected,